Hey, hey! For the latest puzzle solutions, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver. Welcome back, friends. Today we get you an interesting puzzle, and the name of the puzzle is the heart puzzle. As you can see in this puzzle, we have various elements present. For example, a heart with an arrow, two lovers with a heart in between, and a diamond. We have to find each item's value and we have to keep that each item value in the final equation so that we can solve this puzzle. So guys, let's start. But before solving this puzzle, let's start a timer and pause for 30 seconds and solve this puzzle together. And friends, in that time, put your answer in the comment section. So our time starts now. Three, two, one, stop! Hope you all enjoyed solving this puzzle and got the right answer. Let's jump to the solution and solve the first equation. In the first equation, you can see there are three hearts with arrows and their total value is equal to 24. When you solve this first equation for the heart with arrow, you'll get heart with an arrow, total value is equal to 8. Now jump to the second equation. In the second equation, you can see there are two men with women and heart in between. Their total value is equal to 2 into heart with arrow plus diamond. We'll leave this equation as it is because we don't have any value for each item. Let's jump to the third equation. In the third equation, you can see two hearts here, heart with an arrow and a diamond, and their total value is equal to 24. And we know from the first equation we have heart with an arrow, total value is equal to 8. So 24 minus 8 will become 16. We'll solve this equation with respect to this diamond. So we'll keep this two hearts to the right side, so it will become 16 minus 2 hearts. Now jump to the fourth equation. In the fourth equation, you can see two pair of hearts, one here, and their subtraction is with diamond and their total value is equal to 20. And from the last equation, we know diamond value is equal to 16 minus 2 hearts. We kept that value, and by solving this bracket first, so it will become minus 16, minus and minus will become plus, it will become plus a pair of heart. So here we have three pair of hearts and their total value will be equal to 20 plus 16, that will be 36. So solving pair of hearts value, it will be 36 divided by 3, that is 12. Now keeping this value in the first equation, we'll get 16 minus 2 hearts and 2 hearts value is 12, so it will become 16 minus 12 and one diamond value will become 4. Now jumping to our second equation, we'll solve the second equation. Here we have the value of heart and we have value of heart with arrow and a diamond. Solving this second equation, we'll cancel out these two. Now putting this value of heart with an arrow as 8 and diamond as 4, it will become 8 plus 4 is 12. And we know the value of a heart, that is one heart is equal to 6. So we'll keep this value to the right side. So men plus women will become 12 minus 6, that will be equal to 6. Now friends, we have every item value with us, that is heart with an arrow is equal to 8, diamond is equal to 4, 1 heart is equal to 6 and men plus women is equal to 6. Jumping to our last equation and putting all the items value in the last equation, will get men plus women plus the value of diamond, that is equal to 4. 1 heart value is 6 and 1 heart with an arrow is equal to 8. Their multiplication is with diamond value is 4 and heart value is 6. According to the BODMAS rule, we first have to calculate the brackets and then we have to solve this multiplication sign. So 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Now here 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Now we multiply this, that will become 140 and their addition will be with 6 plus 10, that is equal to 10. So final answer will be 150. So friends, we have solved this puzzle. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and comment on this video. Also don't forget to subscribe and please share it with your friends and family. You can also follow us on our Instagram page, that is Puzzle Solver Video. Thanks again. Bye bye.